how to play EA Sports FC Mobile Offline Edition. In today's video, I'll show you how to play EA Sports FC Mobile offline. While the game typically requires an internet connection, there's a way to enjoy it offline for certain modes. Let's dive in. First, open the EA Sports FC Mobile app on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet when you launch the game. This is necessary to load the game initially. So let's try to open it. So now it's already launched. And once the game has fully loaded and you're on the main screen, you can turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data. So now it's starting. Let's try to turn off Wi-Fi. As you can see, we can still play the game. So after disconnecting, you'll still be able to access certain offline modes. This include practice matches and single player matches. However, keep in mind that you won't be able to play against real players or access online features like live events or multiplayer modes. Now you can enjoy playing EA Sports FC Mobile offline. This is a great option if you're in an area with no internet connection or just want to practice your skills without any distraction. Remember, this method only works for offline modes, so if you want to play online or access the full features of the game, you'll need to reconnect to the internet. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to play EA Sports FC Mobile offline.